How to file back taxes on Turbotax. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up Turbotax, and after that, when filing your current return, you would be asked by Turbotax to provide the details of your previous returns. Just simply upload the documents for your previous returns, and this way Turbotax will be able to guide you for the current return. And in case if you forgot to upload that particular detail, then just simply go to the option of documents, and in your documents you would be able to find this particular year section. Just click on it, then select any particular year for which you want to file the return, and this way you would be able to upload the document for that particular year. And after that, this return will be included in your Turbotax tax filing, and this way you would be able to file the tax for that particular year as well. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.